Ever wonder what's going on in the world of real estate? From across the busy metropolis through tranquil towns and into the ideal countryside, there's a story behind every door, a tale in every home. It is a world as diverse the people who live in it, and it's waiting to be explored. So, sit back, relax, and allow us to guide you through this fascinating journey. From news to nifty hacks, we've got it all. Welcome to Real Estate, News, Tips and Hacks. We appreciate your time. This channel is your one-stop shop for everything real estate. We offer a wide array of content, from the latest property trends sweeping the nation, to ingenious tips for finding your perfect home. We'll also guide you on how to make your living spaces more comfortable and cozy. And that's not all. We're here to help you navigate through common home issues and good old-time tested solutions. It is more than a show. Think of us as your personal guide through the fascinating world of real estate. We dive into the heart of it all, exploring the stories that make each home unique, from the laughter and love within the walls to the challenges and victories of homeownership. We're here to share these stories, to bring them to life. Every home has a tale, and we're here to tell it. If you want to know about homes and get neat hacks, you're in the right place. There's always something new to learn, a fresh perspective to gain. So, come along on this journey with us. As we explore homes and their tales, each step brings something new just for you. Thank you.